episode 22nd of how we build a 5-story building. Here we are at the 4th floor. Now we are reinforcing all the tie beams with 3 bars inside, and after that we're going to install all the embedded plates, form around, and pour concrete. That way we're going to have all the 4th floor complete with the concrete and the reinforcement inside the tie columns and tie beams. Next step is to pour concrete and leave it ready to start placing the metal deck. Moving forward, we are pouring concrete today at the tie beams. That is going to complete the whole 4th floor structure, and then after that we're going to start installing all the columns and metal beams to do the framing for the 5th floor. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so we can have more update on how we build a 5-story building. Thanks for watching.